Hello, my name is Luke Johnson, and this is my submission for the Argy Bargy 2020. I built an app called the Shoreline Golf Course app. It is an app strictly built for Shoreline, a golf course here in Omaha, Nebraska. This app is built for any user that is an avid golfer at Shoreline or anybody that's a new golfer at Shoreline. This app is going to show you hole information, how to reserve a tee time, and then the weather at the golf course. So my home screen, as you see, there's an image of the logo in the middle there. In the top left, there is a hamburger menu with the whole calendar and temperature pages that you can jump to. And at the bottom right, I'm going to click the pagination button that'll bring us to the next page. Okay, so here's the whole info page. At the center there, you see a nice picture of the green. Beneath that, you see a drop down and a submit button. In the bottom left, you see a go to home page and a go to calendar page or go to calendar button in the bottom right. So after I hit the submit button, the dropdown is going to populate with data that is coming from Dr. Orman's database that I have called into that dropdown after I hit submit. So we'll see after I just hit submit and now pull down the dropdown, and you see that hole 1, hole 2, and hole 3 have all been populated. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it functions by just hitting hole 1. And this is going to be drawing information about the par, yardage, and the club of use off the tee. So you see when I hit hole 1, a message box pops up that says the club to use is the driver, the par is 4, and the yardage is 350. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK and bring us to the calendar. So on the reserve a tee time form, you see a nice big calendar here. You can select what kind of range you want to see in the top left, and then you can see that by day, week, month, and then see an agenda if you'd like. So I'm going to do month and then double click into May 1st, which is going to pop up a form for allowing me to reserve a tee time. So for simplicity and sake of time, I'm just going to type in tee time and submit this form. At the bottom, there's a save button, and it saves directly onto the calendar. Now, if I wanted to go back and delete that or edit that form, I double click into the form, and let's just say I want to select a color, save that, and a different color pops up. Now, let's say I want to delete it. I'll go into the form again. At the bottom there, it says delete. I'll go ahead and delete it, and it wipes it from the calendar. So that is how you reserve a tee time in my app. In the bottom left, you see a go to hole info page, which is the last page we were on, and then a go to weather button on the bottom right. We're going to click that and take us to the weather page. So on this page, I'm directly connecting to a API server. It's called openweatherdata.api, and it is pulling the units below the button temperature, wind speed, and humidity from the API into my app through the button click for weather on the course, which I will click right now. So you see it's 76 degrees on the course with a wind speed of 13 miles an hour and a humidity of 41%. Now, if I want to take the one step further and get recommended what I should wear on the course, I will type 76 degrees into this text box, hit enter, and then I get a recommendation of what I should wear. So wear a short sleeve shirt and shorts on the course. That is my app. Thank you guys for listening. I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, now if I had a little bit more time, I would have learned how to delete use a delete query from Dr. Orman's database and learn how to delete a form from my dropdown. But just for the sake of time, I have only done an insert and select. So that is what I would probably add a function if I had to add a function. Thank you guys for listening. That is my app, and I appreciate you guys listening.